This is a beautiful place we arrive. This is the washroom. This is antique. Another washroom. Very many washrooms. 3 washrooms. And then we go to a nice, good living area. It's so beautiful. And this is our room. We live like Napoleon. So, very nice. This is our teaching. These are the kids enjoying themselves. They are playing with the computer. Guai is enjoying. Yes. With the view of the street, you see?
You said you're working.
My God. Yes. It's so beautiful. They said Yun Sang is living there. I said it's better for the kids. They are enjoying here. Yes. Hello, Cat. 你好，哇！你哋有 Julius Caesar， 跟住嚟講，我哋入呢間房啦。呢度係有3間房啦。呢度一間，佢哋話呢間係 Sam 仔嘅。呢一間係啊，另外嘅有 Auntie Kim 嘅。我哋睇下下邊嗰個景色先，幾靚喎！ 呢有個大笛，有個大天井，哇！有啲靚畫，佢能夠將佢整得咁 artistic 都幾靚啊！哦，呢個 ，Yes, Christina is enjoying. We are ，K 幾靚啊嚇！佢架數嘅，你而家 so beautiful。呢個就係我哋喺巴黎住幾晚嘅一個地方啦。